car died at the gas station, and I was certain I was fucked because my jumper cables didn't work the last time. But a really nice woman who was on the way to the hospital where her husband has just had a heart attack, and she still stopped to help. I couldn't believe it, but all we had were my cables, and I was certain they wouldn't work. And we couldn't even get them into the battery until we realized the battery wasn't bolted in. So we went to move it and damn near set the car on fire because the lead is fucking exposed. So as soon as it touched metal, it fucking lit up. I'm freaking out because I'm like 8 feet away from a fucking fuel pump. But amazingly, they worked. They boosted the car, so... And now I have an excuse to drive another 10 minutes. It's one of those things you don't think about. When I lived at home, I had a mechanic for a stepfather and 3 vehicles to boost off of, as well as a boost thing you plugged in and it boosted a car. Boost pack, I think it's called. So I was always set back home if something went fucked. Now that I'm out here, I don't know anybody to call and be like, hey dude, I need a hand. So I'm really completely fucked when shit like this happens. It really changes your perspective on shit, knowing that you're fucked all the time. I don't know what the fuck I would have done, like left the car there? Like, cause yeah, like, I don't know anybody to call. I don't have CAA anymore. Uh-oh. Let's see. That's the hill I refuse to go on. Wood. Roads look fucking... This is perfect drift weather for this car, and the roads look so pretty, covered in snow. This could be dangerous. Got no back window. That's fucking annoying. guy's going slow, which is smart actually. You should go slow when you're on fucked roads like this. A little too slow, to be honest. It's a green light, but better safe than dead.